This stunning 4-bedroom, 4-bath home in the Preserves of Carroll Creek boasts over 2,700 square feet of living space. You'll fall in love with the open floor plan this Craftsman-style home offers. From the moment you enter the home, you'll notice the quality upgrades and custom details, including a beautifully detailed accent wall in the home office. The foyer offers a large coat closet for year-round storage, plus convenient cubbies for quick access for your guests. The inviting great room features a coffered ceiling and a cozy stone fireplace. The chef in your family will enjoy the custom kitchen with beautiful granite countertops, a gas range, a built-in microwave and oven, and an island with seating for 5. A designated coffee wine bar and a walk-in pantry complete this space. The master suite is on the main level and offers a luxurious full bath with a walk-in tiled shower, raised his and her vanities, and a huge custom closet with a window for plenty of natural light. The upper level has 2 bedrooms that share a Jack and Jill bath, plus another bedroom with access to the full guest bath. There's also a huge bonus room to be used however you wish. Outside, find a gorgeous stamped concrete patio with a built-in fire pit overlooking the fenced-in backyard and backs up to a wooded area. This immaculate home on a great lot won't last long. Call Mary Douglas for all the details.